Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you today on how you can actually deactivate your account here on Instagram Threads. Now, I'll show you step by step in this video how you can do that, so make sure to watch all the way to not miss any steps. Now, here you can see I'm currently on my Instagram Threads. I'm currently on the profile section. Now, make sure that you navigate to the profile section. It should be at the bottom right-hand corner here on the slider. Now, all you have to do is head over to the top right-hand corner here on the profile page, and then go ahead and click it. Now, it should look something like this. It should come up with the settings. All you have to do is head over to the account setting, and then once you're here, click the deactivate profile setting. It should be the second one under account. Now, when you do that, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to deactivate your Threads profile? Now, if it's totally up to you, you can go ahead and do it. Keep in mind, it is temporary. Your profile, Threads, replies, and likes will be hidden until you reactivate by logging in. So all you have to do is just go ahead and click deactivate Threads profile and then click deactivate. But for sure, I'm not going to deactivate because I do want to go ahead and take a look at this. But with that being said, that's how you deactivate your profile here on Instagram Threads. It's actually very easy and simple. So if you did find it helpful, please leave a like, comment down below if it worked, and I will see you all until next time.